Now this is how you can change the app layout on your Android phone. Let me explain that. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So it kind of depends on your phone, but on my Galaxy phone, on the Samsung device, the app that manages the home screen and the app layout and all of that is called One Home UI. So this is actually a launcher. It's called a launcher app. So on the Google Pixel phone, it might be called the Pixel launcher. But the point is that you have to go to these settings like this and just find the apps menu. So you have to manage all of the apps like this. And you can see that all of them are listed in here and sorted alphabetically. But as I said, on my Samsung phone, I need to look up the One Home UI, which is this one right here, One UI Home. Actually, that's how it's called. And I can get inside and see the details about this app. So this app, as I said, is the launcher, which manages my home screen grid and the way it actually looks. So I can tap on the settings right here and I can change the layout, right? So I can tap on the first thing and decide if it's going to be home and app screens or home screen only, like that, right? So yeah, it depends on how I like to have it in this regard. I can also choose the app screen grid and choose different layout. I can put as many apps in here as I want, right? So that's something I can do. I can also change the folder grid by 3x4 to 4x4, so plenty of different settings. I'm not going to go through every single one of them, but you can see that's how you can change it. You can even lock it so it's not possible to be changed, right? So yeah, that's something which you can definitely do to make it look a little bit different. Outside of that, of course, if you mean the actual approach of changing the thing in here, you can just hold down on individual apps, move it to a different place or move some things from the app drawer and move it like this to the home screen, however you like it. But the most important parts, in my opinion, are the settings which I've shown you in the beginning. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.